Yeah. Oh, he's just fucking around with the tree.
Yeah.
Nothing needs to be sore. No, it keeps life interesting. Yeah. Dents and shit. Yeah. Lucky I'm running on side steps. What? We didn't, didn't we? Oh, we nudged it. Your tyres held that far over the bar because you don't get it. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about around the side of the road. Yeah. I just cut it. Oh, you barely got it. Yeah. Like the first time I drove up, just like sitting in the rest of the
I'd be curious to know how big that hole really is.
Yeah, I don't really want to find out myself though.
Because that's the way we've always come.
Yeah.
So coming back's alright because you just hold it flat and just let the ruts guide you through those trees. But coming the other way, I like to aim my car at a tree and just let the car bounce off it.
Yeah.
And when you come back, that tree in that corner you hit as well. Alright, stand back. Toyota boost.
That's it.
It's mad.
It's been signalling. Oh, that one? They get worse.